Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing part 2 of my handbag collection. Now, if you haven't seen the first part, make sure you check that out because I focus on crossbodies and I have some really great bags in there. I'm gonna link it in the cards and I'm also gonna put it in the description. So now let's get into part 2 and I'm gonna start with this first bag that I got from Marshalls. Now this bag I fell in love with instantly when I saw it. It's a top handle bag. It looks way more expensive than what I paid for it. I got it from Marshalls and I'm pretty sure it was under 100 bucks. The brand isn't a brand that I know. It's called Vittoria Napoli. Now I know a lot of times when I go to TJ Maxx and Marshalls and those places, I do look for bags that say they've been made in Italy. I feel like the quality of leather is a lot nicer, even if it's a brand I don't know. I really inspect the bag and make sure that it's durable and it's gonna hold up to what I'm gonna be doing with it on a daily basis. And I felt like this was a great one. Now, if you didn't know already, I really love patent leather. Like I have an obsession with it. I think it looks really timeless, it's classic, and I feel like it's just really elegant and ladylike. Now, I like this one a lot because it's really structured and I think it's a great work bag. It's not huge, so you can't fit a lot in it. For me, I mostly carry like crossbody bags, smaller bags. This is a great version of a non-crossbody bag for me for everyday use. Another great thing about this bag, especially because it was so inexpensive, is that it has feet. A handbag with feet is something I look forward to, especially when it's a structured bag, because I don't like to sit my handbags on the floor, but even when I sit them on top of something or on a desk or on a chair, I wanna make sure that that it's not gonna get scuffed up. And this is patent leather, so it can get damaged. And when you damage patent leather, it's kind of irreversible. There's nothing you can really do about it. So the fact that this bag has feet indicated to me that it was really good quality, you know, or it was really thought out or was well made. It also came with a matching strap, like a shoulder strap. I'll keep it in the bag because if I'm in the supermarket or if I'm in a store and I just need to be hands-free quickly, it comes in handy, but usually I don't wear it like for fashion. It's more just for function. This next top handle bag is from TJ Maxx. It's another designer that I don't know, but it is an Italian brand. This one I call my lady bag because I feel like it looks really mature. It's a really great shape, it's a classic shape. And this bag also has feet. And then it has this front flap that you can lift up, but it doesn't have any additional pockets here. And then the closure is magnetic. And then it has a couple of pockets, like, you know, 2 big spaces to store things, and then a zip pocket. This next bag you guys have definitely already seen. It's my Kate Spade bucket bag. I got it actually after I saw in a Kate Spade magazine they had like baby pink bucket bags, and then I went to the outlet and then they had this one and I felt like it was so perfect. And it has the pink lining. It doesn't have any pockets or additional space. Actually it has just the one pocket, but it's really small. And I usually wear it in my hand, but it has an additional strap and it can be worn crossbody. Now, for some reason, I like this strap. I feel like this strap is cute. I don't usually wear it like this unless I need to be hands-free, but I have worn it like this. So it can double as a crossbody, but for me, it's really, I wear it more like a top handle bag and I just hold it in my hand. It's so cute. I love the fact that it has a tassel. It has laser cutouts. It's definitely only for the summer for me. This next Kate Spade bag is also a bucket bag. This one came from the outlet as well. Now this one is so cute because it's pale blue and it also has feet. Now it has silver hardware, which, I mean, I have a bag with silver hardware, but I tend to buy gold. But this one I didn't mind. I feel like the silver definitely complements the cool tones. This one is really just an open space. There's really nothing going on in there. It has a zip pocket for security and then an additional pocket that you could like slide a couple cards in, and then it has this outside pocket you can put your cell phone in. It's a nice size bag so you can fit a ton of stuff in it. And it's just cute. This one you can wear in the fall, you can wear it in the summer, you can wear it every season because it's just a great everyday bag. So this next bag is from Michael Kors. I've had this bag a very, very long time. At one point, I was really obsessed with the brand. Right now, I'm not as obsessed with it, but I still really love this bag. It has gold hardware and I love the olive green color. It's a perfect neutral for fall. It has a front pocket, it has the pull closure, and then it's just a giant hole again. I feel like most bucket bags are. It has a little extra pocket and it has feet so it protects it. And the leather is very durable. This is the kind of leather you could just wipe down. This next bucket bag is from Zara. I absolutely love this bag because it's so much fun. It is leather And I feel like that's great when I find leather bags, like 100% leather bags at Zara, because they do make really cute bags that are not leather, but I prefer leather bags. This one is really fun. It has the interesting design on it, pink and yellow and white. I usually wear this bag in the fall and winter. The inside is just fabric. The only thing I don't like about this bag, besides the fact that it's just a giant hole, the straps that open and close it, like you pull these and it pulls like an accordion. I think it's really cute, but I also hate it because the more you fill the bag and the more these have to stay open, the less these little flaps or these little pulleys stay down, and that's really annoying. So I can't overstuff it or else they'll just stick up, but the tighter it is, the more they lay down. And I feel like that looks really cute. And I guess over time, the leather is just gonna relax and it'll lay down. But for now, they still stand up. And I've had the bag for a while, at least a year now. And when the tighter you pull it, it shrinks the straps. And sometimes it doesn't stay on, like if you have a coat or a chunky sweater. So I guess that's another thing I don't like about the bag. But overall, it's really cute. And I like it enough to keep wearing it and hold on to it because it's still really a cute bag. This is the last bucket bag I currently have in my collection, and I actually had this one for a long while. I had this one before snake print was like hugely on trend. So the fact that snake print came back on trend, it was really nice that I already had this in my possession, because it's great when those things happen. You can just reach into your closet without buying something new and just like restyle it. This one is by Camuto. The leather held up really well. I don't wear it that much. I only wear it in the winter usually, just because I feel like it is a winter bag, but I would definitely wear it in the summertime or the spring, just because it's a great carry-all bag. Again, it's just like the others where it doesn't have any additional pockets, just the one little pocket on the back of it. Besides that, everything just gets jumbled around and lost in there unless you have other like little containers or pouches and things like that. But I really love it. It feels really soft and supple. Now, the snake print is just embossed, but the bag is leather. And then it has the gold accents. I just really like this bag a lot. This next bag is a great everyday bag from MCM, but I actually got it from Nordstrom Rack. This bag I love because it just fits perfectly under my arm when I wear it. Again, it's just an everyday bag. And then the inside has a pretty good amount of storage. It has a couple extra pockets to put things like your cell phone. And then it has this cute outside pocket that buttons close. So you can just like quickly stuff your cell phone in there or something like that. But like I said, what I love most about this bag, besides the color, I think the color is absolutely gorgeous. It's the MCM Monogram, but the strap is really comfortable. Can you stop? I haven't worn it as much as I wanted to wear it this summer, just simply because I forgot about it, to be honest with you guys. I mean, I try to put my bags back in the dust covers, and when I do that, I forget about them. So I have to figure out a way where I could just keep my bags displayed, because that would help me so much more. But this bag I love a lot. Do you want me to finish the video or not? This bag, I know you guys remember this bag because I've worn it a ton so far this summer. I got this bag this year from TJ Maxx. This bag is from Camuto, and I really love this bag a lot. I paid under 200 bucks for this bag, and I feel like it was worth it. I feel like the bag looks really expensive when I style it. I think it has amazing storage for the size. Like, this bag is a great size. I think it fits perfectly under my arm. It's super comfortable even when it's stuffed full. Now, I've never run out of storage with this bag. It has a nice huge back storage pocket, more storage on the inside, like zip pockets, a little cell phone pocket, you know, an additional pocket, and then, you know, of course, the big storage space. So when you open the flap opens again, and then it has a compartment that goes all the way down the length of the bag. I absolutely love that. I'm gonna wear this bag this fall as well. Winter whites, summer whites, they're all the same to me, and I just really love this bag. This next bag doubles as a clutch because you can take the strap off. This bag is really great quality. It looks expensive, it feels expensive. I don't remember how much I paid for it because I've had it a very, very long time. It doubles as a clutch. It has a strap here that hooks on, but you can take it off and then put the strap on the inside or leave it at home when you wear it and then wear it as a clutch. I really like that aspect of the bag. Now, there was a time where I was really into clutches, but now I like to be hands-free, so that's why I'm into crossbodies a lot more. But I like this bag because it fits comfortably under my arm, and I like the fact that the side of the bag comfortably lays behind my elbow, so that way it's not constantly like flipping in my way, and you know, like when you picking things up or bending over or moving around, it swings around to the front of you. So I like that because it'll just stay behind me. But I love this bag a lot. It's a great color. This orange is great for the summer and the fall. It looks really, really great with like caramel, wool, like really chunky sweaters, or like a wool camel colored coat. This is gonna look really cute in the fall with some boots. Gorgeous. But I love this bag a lot. So this bag, this little straw bag that I think is so super cute, I got from a place called Von Maur. It's a department store like Nordstrom or Macy's. This bag was so inexpensive. I think it was about 20 bucks. But I really love this bag. I think it's a really cute summer style. It's small, but I can fit a lot of things in it. It has a zip closure, which I really like because I like some sort of security with my bag. And then the tassel I got from World Market. I actually got another tassel from Amazon that I think is super cute. I'm gonna change this tassel out for this tassel, or maybe I can wear them both on there, but I probably won't. That's another great way to change up your bags, especially your summer bags, because if you bag bags specifically for one season, you wanna be able to like pull them out the next season and then almost have a whole new bag, you know? So I think that's gonna be super cute to wear just like that. But I love this bag a lot. It's not expensive. It's probably not gonna last me a long time. I mean, if I can get another summer or two out of it, I'll be happy. But I really like this bag. It was inexpensive and it's definitely held up so far. This bag you guys may have seen already as well, because I've worn this bag a few times this summer. This is a Burberry tote that I got from Nordstrom Rack. Now this tote is really great because first of all, it's a tote, it's a carry-all. It's really comfortable to wear. Now this one I like a lot for work because it's so structured. Now I don't know if it could be like a weekend tote for me or an everyday tote if I didn't have a corporate job, because it is so structured. And something like the Louis Vuitton Neverfull is a little bit more floppy and a little bit more structured list. That might be more comfortable for like an everyday throw over your shoulder sort of bag. This one is reversible, so it's kind of like a 2-in-1 sort of situation. So that definitely is a great aspect to have in a bag. I know a lot of totes are not reversible, so that might not even be something that you need to be looking for. But I think it's a nice thing to have because you can just switch it up really easily. And then the Burberry check print is very neutral. It goes with tons of stuff, so you don't have to worry about that. It's sort of like the Louis Vuitton Monogram. It goes with almost everything. Now these next two bags I want to show you guys, they're actually my mother's bags. They're not mine yet. But I've actually worn this one way more than my mom has already, so I don't know. I feel like it might be mine. But this is a YSL Sac du Jour. This bag is a great everyday bag, especially if you work in a corporate office. It's definitely structured, it's definitely very elegant, and it definitely will elevate your look. It doesn't expand hugely, so you can't overstuff it or anything like that. You might be able to fit a small iPad in, I'm not sure, but you can definitely fit the iPad in the larger compartments. Of course, your wallet and all your everyday supplies and things like that, but I think it's a really nice structured bag and sort of a carry-all situation if you don't have a ton of stuff that you drag with you every day. One thing that isn't great about this bag is that you can't be hands-free with it, but I feel like for an everyday kind of bag, if you're a woman who can, you know, be very compact or have everything you need in one place and you don't have to have your whole life with you every day, then this is a great option. This next bag is the Givenchy Antigona, and this bag is super popular. I feel like when it first came out, I wasn't sure about the shape or the bag. I thought it was gonna be a fad. Now this size is pretty huge, so it can definitely be a carry-all. In some cases, it can even be an overnight bag. The bag is a great bag. It's quality, Givenchy. The leather is very durable. It's sort of like a pebbled leather. You might be able to just wipe it down. Now it's pretty large, so you know, if you don't mind just being able to hold it in your hand, it looks great like that. You can't be hands-free with it. One thing that I feel like could be annoying is the zipper. This one is huge, so you probably won't have that problem like going into it. Maybe in the mini versions of this bag you would, because you can't open it like completely fully like you would with most carry-all bags. It's a little bit restricted, but because the bag is so huge, you might not have an issue with that. I think for me it's more of a winter bag. Of course, if you wear black in the summer, or if you don't mind having large black bags in the summer, you can wear it in any season. It's a very structured bag. It doesn't have feet, but it has like these, I guess you could say these are like leather feet. Now the only problem I have with that is that when you sit it down, it's gonna scratch just like regular leather would, because it's leather. It's not like metal hard feet like some of my other bags have. But I still think it's a great option if you're looking for something that's a carry-all. So that's it, you guys. That was part 2 of my handbag collection. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions about any of the bags that I showed you guys, leave them in the comments because I'll definitely get back to you. If you liked any bags in particular, let me know. I love to have conversations about what bags you have, what bags I have, and you know, just share all that great stuff. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you didn't enjoy this video, give me a thumbs down, but make sure you leave it in the comments and let me know why, because if I can improve my content, I definitely will. If you're new here, my name is Ashley and this is Park Avenue, and welcome to my channel. Check out my other content. I'm sure you're gonna see something you like, and when you do, hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that way you guys don't miss an upload. And that's it, you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Look out for part 3 of my handbag collection because that's gonna come up next. Bye.